my lovelies. Today I'm just going to do a quick pour. I'm using these beautiful coasters I've got from Etsy. I will link to them in the description below. Really good quality moulds, nice and thick, sturdy. Got a lovely little rim around the edge of these coasters, which I think is going to make them really, really special. I've just got some little earring moulds and a little teddy bear mould as well that I got from Temu. I'm going to just have them to the side in case I've poured too much. So I'm just mixing my eco resin now. This one is Aqua Cast from Elicam. It's a 10:3 ratio, so 10 powder, 3 liquid, and it's just plain water you mix it with, which makes it really, really easy. I've added a little bit more than the instructions because I wanted it a little bit thinner. I've poured with eco resin before and I don't like it really, really thick. So yeah, I've just added a little bit extra to what it says water wise, but not too much. It's more like a custardy or I don't know, milk consistency. So I've got my pigments here that are especially for using with eco resin, and I've got 2 from Homeware Designs. One is called Citrine and the other is called Periwinkle. I've used these before. Really, really lovely pigments for the eco resin. I've also got a little black that I got that originally with my very first order from J Diction when I used, J Diction, I can't speak this evening, when I ordered their eco resin. I got that in with the pack. Not tried that yet, but I'm going to give it a go this evening. I'm going to go for quite a swirly, marbly effect. So I'm literally going to get the periwinkle first, and I'm just going to put 4 little drops in. Keep them quite spaced apart. There we go. That's that one. And then I'm going to go with the citrine. Give them a good shake because they've been sat quite a while without being used. I'm going to put 4 in there. Again, try and keep them a bit spaced apart. Do I want the black? I'm actually not sure. I'm thinking, oh, I might just put 2 drops of black in. Let's give it a go. Just two drops. So I'll do it quite near to the centre. Oh, that one hit the purple. I'm going to put an extra purple one in then because I do want that to stay separate, and the black's going to overpower it. Put that over there. There we go. Right, so now what I'm going to do is just take a stick, wooden mixing stick, and I'm not going to mix it properly. I'm just going to kind of swirl it a little bit, just to break the blobs up, but not blend the colours in too much. Oh, look at that, doesn't that look beautiful on the stick? Can you see that? That is lovely, isn't it? Right, so now all I'm going to do is pour. Oh gosh, look at that going in. I think these are going to be so beautiful. Right, that one's gone really white, so what I'm going to do, oh, pour that everywhere is what I'm going to do. That was really silly. Let me get some tissue and clean up. I did tell myself I wasn't going to make anything this evening because I was really tired, and I think I should just listen to myself really. I think after that spill I'm going to be mixing some more up, definitely. Let's get rid of that. Top of that a bit. Of course, the beautiful thing with eco resin is that you don't need to wear gloves or a mask, which I do love. Let's just put a little bit more in here. The first one's gone absolutely beautiful. And I do think I should have split this into separate smaller cups. I think I will do next time. If I've got to mix any more, I'm definitely going to mix more. I'll put it into 2 separate cups. Oh, there's a little bit of black there. Don't want to leave. It's not very good. This one I'm not very happy with the way it wants to, well, where it doesn't want to drip. Just give these a light little swirl again. Beautiful. Okay, let's try again with that one. That's quite messy, that one, but I love the way these colours merge. I really do love it. Okay, that's to the top. We'll try this one. Stunning, absolutely stunning. I've got a little bit of colour left in there, but I wouldn't say that's enough to put in their thing. I think I'm going to try one of these, if I can pour it slowly enough. Make some little dainty earrings from it. Yeah, we always knew that was going to happen. I'm making a merry mess. Right, let's leave that there. And then what we're going to do is scrape that into there. Look at that, that fills that instantly. Scrape that one into there. I'm glad I get paper down, because I can just, what I'm going to do is just scrape that completely up, make them fill the gaps there. Look. And then I'm just going to half of it, level it up. What a mess. I'm annoyed with myself. Again, smaller paper cups. Into the eco resin, I'll be able to clean it off a little bit easier. Right, so I'm just going to go and get some more water. I'll pop you on pause for a minute. Okay, so we're going to add the colours again. I think these are so beautiful, I really do. Go to the top and we'll see what we can get into the teddy bear. We've got half a bear here.